today's topic is climate variation on Earth. Okay, that is the variation of climate, the difference of climate on the Earth. Okay, people in different parts of the world live in different kinds of different ways. I mean, they wear different types of clothes and different types of houses they live in. All this because of the climatic condition. Okay, all this difference variation is because of the climate. And what is the climate? The climate means the average weather condition of a place over a long period of time. Like summer, the climate is hot. In winter, the climate is cold. And in rainy season, it's raining. Like sometimes it's cold and it's sunny also. Okay, so the climate means the average weather condition over a long period of time. Like there is a difference in climate in summer, winter and rainy season. Okay. Now what is the weather? The weather means the condition of an atmosphere at a particular time, at a particular place and at a particular time. It changes from day to day, the weather. Today's weather it's raining, it's cloudy. Or tomorrow it may be sunny and hot day. Okay. So every day the weather is changing. Okay. This is the difference between the climate and the weather. Now the factors that determine the climate. How the climate changes, there are some factors. What are the factors? Distance from the equator. Height above the sea level or altitude. Winds, humidity and rainfall. Distance from the sea. All these factors determines the climate of a place. Because of these factors, the climate of a place changes. Okay. The distance from the equator. Now the rays of the sun heats up the earth. See, the sun rays falls on the equator. This is the equator. The sun rays fall straight on the equator. So this area is very hot. The sun rays fall straight. Okay. So the equatorial region, this area near the equator, the places are very hot. Okay. Whereas the sun rays are vertical. They take some time to come down. So like that some heat is lost. So they fall slanting like this. Okay. So the places near the poles are cooler compared to the places in the equator. Okay. So temperature is less and low in the poles than the equator. See here. Direct rays near the equator. All these areas. Africa. Okay. And the slanting near the North Pole and near the South Pole, they fall slantingly. So here the temperature is little low. Okay. The Arctic and Antarctic region. This Arctic region and Antarctic region, which are very far away from the sun and they receive very less sunlight. That is why they are very cold. So in Antarctic region and Arctic region, it's very, very cold. Okay, children. So climate means the average weather condition of a place. Okay, for a long period of time. Okay. Weather means day-to-day condition. Weather means condition of an atmosphere at a particular time and place. Okay. Factors that determines the climate of a place is distance from equator, height above the sea level, winds, humidity and rainfall, and distance from the equator. So equatorial region are hotter compared to the polar region. Okay. And Arctic region and Antarctic region are cooler compared to the other region because they get very less sunlight. Thank you, children.